Hi guys, welcome back to AutoShare India. Today we will quickly review the newly launched Skoda Kushaq. The full review of the car will be coming up soon once it is available for test drives. So let's get started. The new Skoda Kushaq is offered in only petrol engine of 1 litre and 1.5 litre with the manual and automatic options. The price starts from Rs 10.49 lakhs and goes up to Rs 17.59 lakhs. The LED headlamps with the DRL is stunning and adds to the look of the car. The fog lamps are lifted towards the headlamps for better road vision at night and during foggy conditions. The piano black finish and chrome is all over the car, and you can find the same on the interior too. This finish looks very good when it's clean, but it can quickly get dirty with fingerprint marks and dust. During a bright day, the piano finish on the inside tends to reflect a lot of light, which is quite disturbing. The dual-tone bumpers are nicely crafted to the design, and as I mentioned earlier, the chrome inserts all over the car are adding more elegance, especially the big chrome in the front grille. The 17-inch alloys look pretty good in grey finish with the Skoda logo on it. For a car of this price in 2021, it has only analog cluster, while its competitors are rocking stylish digital clusters. I believe that analog clusters are outdated in that context. The front two seats are ventilated with only cooling and no heating. Instead of AC knobs and buttons, Skoda did a fine work replacing them with a touch panel to control the temperature and fan speed. Well, this is a new one in a Skoda. It does have a push start button which is common in the current gen cars. The standard 6 speakers of Skoda have very high bass. The Skoda brandings are present above the fender in piano black and chrome finish and also spelled in chrome across the rear. The door handles are in chrome as well. The glove box is poor in design with a very small capacity. The AC vents in the rear are not cooled, but it does the job. The rear view camera placement is good, giving a clear vision. The steering is smooth as expected from the brand. Buttons on the steering wheel is nicely done with the rolling option. The wireless charger space is good enough to fit current gen smartphones. 12 volts charging socket is present in the front and in the back. Well, that's the first impression on the new Skoda Kushaq. The complete review will be coming soon. Let us know your thoughts on the car in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.